Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete Google Play Store purchase history. Alright, so let's begin. Before getting started, it's important to know that Google does not provide an option to directly delete individual purchase history entries from your account. However, there are a few ways to manage activity records and reduce what appears in your history. Start by opening the Google Play Store app on your phone and make sure you are signed into the correct Google account. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then open Payments and Subscriptions. From there, select Budget and History. This section displays your transaction and purchase records so you can review your activity. If you want to manage activity related to your Google account, open a web browser and visit your Google Activity page through My Activity. Sign in using the same account connected to your Play Store purchases. Once inside, you can browse your activity history and use filters by date or product to locate specific entries. You may see options to delete activity logs connected to certain services, which can remove activity records from your account history. If your goal is simply cleaning up app lists rather than removing transaction records, return to the Play Store and tap your profile icon again. Open Manage Apps and Devices and go to the Manage tab. From there, select apps you no longer want installed and remove them from your device. Keep in mind that uninstalling apps or deleting activity logs does not always erase official purchase records. Purchases, subscriptions, and payment transactions may remain attached to your Google account for account management and billing purposes. And that's it. This is how you can delete Google Play Store purchase history. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.